the factorization of quadratic functions. Okay, quadratic functions. So first question is r square plus 5r plus 6. Second question, m square plus 10m plus 16. And third one, k square plus 12k plus 36. And the fourth one, it's n square 13n plus 36. Yeah, let's look at the answers for each question. For the first question, first of all, what do we need to do according to our previous class? You should multiply two n members. So when we multiply r square and positive 6, it will give you positive 6 r square. Then you should select possible multiplication pair. Possible multiplication pair. So for this, 1 sixes are 6. Okay, 1 sixes are 6. But when you add 1 and 6, that will not give you positive 5. Okay, when you get the sum of these two numbers, that will not give you positive 5. So we can reject this. Let's think about the next possible multiplication. There are 2 3s. 2 times 3 are 6. 2 plus 3 it's 5. 2 plus 3 it's 5. So 2 and 3, those are a particular multiplication pair. So here, since it has r square, it should be r and r directions. It would be positive and positive. Look at the directions carefully. Positive 2r multiplied with positive 3r, that will give you positive 6r square. And when you get the sum of these two, that will give you 5r. Both of those conditions were satisfied. Now let's do the factorization. So r square, what we did was we just splitted this 5r into two values, 2r plus 3r, to do the factorization. We made our work easy. Okay. From the first two values, you can select r as a common factor. So it would be r plus 2. And in the second set, both are 3 multiples, so positive 3. That would be the common factor for next two values. That will give you r plus 2. You should make sure the bracket, inside the brackets, you have the same values or not. We have same values, our factorization was correct. So r plus 2 is a factor. Next factor is r plus 3. R plus 3. Okay, don't make it as a complicated one. It's really easy. Now let's try the second one. So here also you should multiply the two n members. So that will give you 16, positive 16 m square. 16 m square. So the possible multiples are 1 16 are 16, 4 4s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 or 16 minus 1, that will not give you 10. Okay, sum of these two will not give you 10. Here also 4 plus 4 8, 4 minus 4 0, that will not give you 10. 8 plus 2 10. Okay, that will give you the middle member. Sum of those two possible multiplication pair will give you the respective middle member. Now we found out the particular multiplication pair, which is 2m and 8m. Since it is m square, do not substitute r or x there. It should be m. So m square plus 2m plus 8m plus 16. Okay. Thereafter, let's factorize. From the first two participants, let's select m as a common factor, m plus 2. In the second two, 8m and 16, both are 8 multiples. So we can easily select 8 as a common factor. That will give you m plus 2 as well. Here you have, in both brackets, the values are same. That means our factorization was perfectly correct. So it would be m plus 2 and m plus 8. m plus 8. This would be the factorization. In the third question, let's multiply these two. So it will give you positive 36k square. So possible pairs are 136, 2 18s, 4 9s, and 6 6s. Okay, according to a middle member, it would be 6 and 6. Okay, 6k, positive 6k and positive 6k. Multiplication will give you 36k square. Sum will give you positive 12k. So it would be k square plus 6k plus another 6k plus 36. From the first two participants, let's select k as a common factor. That will give you k plus 6. We already discussed how to do the factorization of double member expression. Plus, since these two are 6 multiples, we can select 6, k plus 6 as well. Then finally, here k plus 6, k plus 6. Okay, inside the bracket values are same, and outside the brackets also we will have k plus 6. Okay, k plus 6, k square plus 6k plus 6k plus 36. After factorization, that will give you the binomial expression like this. Okay, expression means um, a measure with variables. Okay, unknown English letters and numbers both together will be called as expression. Okay, then the last question. For the last one, here we have like this. No, let's multiply the two n members. That one also will give you positive 36 n square. Okay, positive 36 n square. I'll write here. So the possible multiples are same. Okay, same 136, 2 18s, 4 9s, or 6 6. According to a middle member, 9 plus 4, that's 13. 9 plus 4 only 13. So that's the correct one. So n square plus 4n plus 9n plus 36. From the first two, let's select n as common factor. That will give you n plus 4. And from the remaining two, both are 9 multiples. So 9 is the common factor. N plus 4 as well. Finally, it would be n plus 4 times n plus 9. What we did, okay, from the quadratic expression to binomial expression. That's what we did over here.